Stella. Stella. Oh no!
What?
Yes, sir!
Come on, dude! It's not fair to leave us like this!
What happened to him? I don't know. I can't believe it.
My old friend?
Huh?
Wait a sec! We got a clue over here! Oh, I forgot to clean my... You! It was you!
You're a traitor. He's a monster. Let's get him.
It wasn't me! I can explain it! Just let me tell you what happened! It all started with that burger!
It's simply perfect.
Huh?
Yes! I can get my revenge against them at last! Yeah! I threw their food on the floor with immense satisfaction, but I had to hurry! And that's what happened! Then who could have done it? You're the last one!
I didn't do it. All right, let me tell you.
La la la.
What were you doing? Would you cook something for me?
Chicken Chicken asked me for some food. We've begun to prepare it from the bottom of my heart.
Amazing!
Until I saw him looking a photo of someone else.
I'm joking. I really hope you love me
He
back.
was in love with Dog Day. How is this even possible? Ouch! Ah! I was so angry that I went my revenge.
You're depressed me. What are you sticking in flavor? It burns! Ah, it's burning out!
And that's why the
You did it on
plan
purpose! Look at what you've done!
I'm the worst! Let me tell you what happened. I was very sick. I had woken up with a high fever. Went to get a bowl of soup.
Dinner's ready!
Thank you. No! Oh no! Dog Day was approaching, and I didn't want to get beat up, so I decided to run into the shadows once again.
What's on the ground? Oh, Dog!
Wake up, man!
Do it on purpose. Can you see it?
We have to believe you.
It was him then?
Let's get it!
This is for traitor!
Isn't this all your fault?
What? All the problems are because of you.
I hate you.
Is Mom okay? But I'm so hungry. Mom, I'm hungry.
Go get your own food. I'm tired.
I guess I'll just eat these. Ew, I can't eat this. Ugh, it's expired.
The grass outside is overgrown. Go and cut it.
Yes, I'll do it right away. All right, time to help Mom and Dad. Huh? Why did it break? Ah, Mom! Oh no!
What is this?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'll fix it.
Ugh, you're useless. Get out of here.
Huh? You are?
Oh my! You're our daughter!
We've been searching for you for so long. Please, come home with us.
They seem so kind. Not my current parents. Maybe they really are my real parents. I love you, Mom and Dad.
Let's head home.
From now on, our family will live happily together.
Can I eat all of this?
Of course, they're all for you. What are you doing?
Washing the dishes?
You don't have to do that anymore. Someone else will handle that.
This is the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Where did she go?
She's not back yet. We have to go find her.
Huh? Who's in that room?
Don't be scared, it'll be over quickly.
Hurry up. We still have one more.
Oh no!
Who's there?
Don't run, my dear. I said stop!
I didn't see anything! Please don't hurt me!
I'm sorry, my daughter. We were wrong.
I've never seen anyone like you, Wenda.
Yeah, I can't stop loving this album.
Your laughter is music to my ears. I'm so in love with
Wenda will never notice you.
Simon's right.
No, don't touch it. It's important to me.
Wenda doesn't know you exist.
Don't say that. She'll fall in love with me. Oh, look at what you've done. Get away with this.
You'll sing for me, bastards.
Control yourself.
It's too late for that.
What is this?
The birds. You don't want to die like this.
Flowers and bees, the only thing that matters to me.
That sounds like a great idea for me. I'll give her all the flowers she wants, and that way, she'll fall in love with me forever.
Beautiful.
I want to.
Come and see this.
Surprise! Fantastic!
You love it. What? No, I must hurry.
All of them are just for you.
Dirt?
Oh, my darkness! Oh, where are the flowers?
Oh my gosh, thank you! They're amazing, just like you.
What? How cute.
Are you kidding me? Those are my flowers.
To show them to Vineria.
Wait a minute. What's going on?
You traitor.
Oh, what are you talking about? Ouch! Stop it and what? Please.
No.
I'm so sorry.
So romantic. Hold on, yours great now.
He's gone. I don't know where. Nice beat. I hope with all my heart that she says yes to my proposal. Here we go.
Black is up to something. Do you know what it means?
Shut up and leave me alone.
What if I take this?
My chocolates.
It's delicious.
It only takes one bad day for a good man to turn to evil. Repent of your sins. Because I won't forget those who do not feel remorse for their mistakes.
Are you insane? No! Let us go now!
Perish! What are you doing? There's nothing to see here, Wenda. I swear.
I saw it all. You can't look.
I love you. Forgive me, please.
Are you kidding me? You're a monster.
Boyfriend, like it or not.
Throw a tantrum as much as you want.
One like this.
Stop! I'm about to lose my head. I said stop it.
She's rude, just like a death metal saw. Oh, darkness. Wenda, I'm sorry. Have to fix this. Starting with them. Come on, dark heart. We have to do this for Wenda. Purify. They're normal. Yes, we did, Heart. We made a wonderful job. At least I redeemed myself for once.
Black.
Wenda, everything was fine, just like this.
It hurts! Stop it! I didn't do anything wrong!
Nobody wants you here!
Get out of here.
I'm not a monster!
Help! Help me.
No! Ouch!
Look at how pathetic he is.
Now he looks like a total clown!
Why? I just wanted to be friends with everyone.
Ouch!
Look at him. He's so slow.
Maybe he'd swim faster. How dare he!
We need to teach him a lesson.
I don't care what they say! I need to finish this race!
I'm sorry.
Let's be friends!
Really?
Let me help you. Oh my god.
Wait! We forgot! The fire is too big! What do we do?
I don't want to turn into roast chicken.
Please save us!
We'll be your good friends!
We'll be your good friends!
Good friends? We'll be friends, right?
No! That's impossible!
It's just a lie!
You all lied to me? I will never accept friends like you again!
Now's the perfect time to turn this school into my new bait!
Oh my god!
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? Hell? Are you okay?
No way! Oh my god!
Stop right there!
I disagree.
Huh?
No, God, please!
Oh no!
Huh? Huh?
Oh my God!
This is my house. It's a bit old.
Let's fix it up together.
Okay.
Let's live happily together.
Of course.
A few moments later.
Honey, help me take care of the baby a bit.
Play with me. Play with me.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Honey, our baby is crying. Help me.
Wait me, baby. I'm coming.
Can't you help soothe the baby?
I'm so busy.
Honey, can you get me the burn ointment?
Okay.
It hurts so much.
Why are you so slow? Catch up! What are you doing? Did I make the wrong decision?
Mom! What? Thank you, my son.
Honey, I'm hungry. What did you cook? It's too salty.
Don't you think your behavior just now was unreasonable?
Can't you even cook properly?
Do you ever care about family?
Dad?
Baby!
Please, let my son go!
Last time you hurt me badly. This time I will take the
No!
Please, don't harm my son!
Please let me take my son's place. I beg you!
Look at you, so pathetic. But I cannot.
My son! My son!
It's my fault! Oh my God!
What?
My son! Can you hear your mother's voice?
Oh no.
Have we really lost our son? Mom! Dad!
Take my hand! Thank goodness! Our son is still alive!
I'm sorry, but for hurting both of you. From now on, I promise not to let you suffer anymore. You've been through so much, my love.
Oh no, I stepped on one of Canaria's flowers. Oh, that's not good. I think I'm done for.
How dare you step on my flowers! Do you know what awaits you now?
Canaria, I'm sorry. Please don't kill me.
You've got some guts!
And I also have some seeds so we can plant a new flower.
Great, let's do it! Great job, Oren! Now you're completely forgiven!
Thanks, darling. I love you. Oh, no way. Not again. This time I'm definitely finished. Goodbye, cruel world.
Hey, who's this dude with such cool hat? That hat would look great on me. Hey, watch this!
What? Hey, that's mine! Huh? But where?
What a loser!
Oh my god!
What's happening?
No, 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 no.
Bring my hat back.
Okay. Oh my god! Looks like I'm in trouble.
Give me my hat.
You will get it only over my dead body. That's my hat now.
Pathetic.
Aha! I have an idea. Once again.
I'll stop this. Get him.
I need one more powerful hit.
Here.
Ow! Oh, shoot! What have I done?
Goodbye, my dear hat. What a rough guy.
Hey,
What do you want, traitor?
this is yours. Thanks.
I'm really sorry. Idiot.